It was up until middle of high school, I didn't know that artist was a real, I don't want to say job, but like a money-making profession. I always wanted to become a pilot because of my love of airplanes. I did a couple training lessons and I said, Mom, I don't think I want to be a pilot. And she said, well, the secret is I always thought that you could be an artist. I was like, Mom, we can't be an artist, She said, I always thought you could do something called industrial design. ID has taught me how to work in groups, how to lead teams, how to be part of a team, how to manage differences among people, how to think outside of the box, which is kind of cliche because you're always drawing boxes. In ID, sometimes work can look very clinical or sterile. I try to incorporate some character and aspects of my personality, some sort of trademark that lets people know that it's my work. And I think by doing that, even if my work's not the best, people know that I made it. My current art, I feel that it belongs to me and it feels more from my head instead of technical skills from my hands. Photography increases my level of observation. I use photos kind of as a diary. If I want to go on a walk, I'll bring my camera. If I'm going to get a haircut, I'll bring my camera. And interesting things happen all the time. I see a whole bunch of things in my photos that can sometimes inspire me in ID. It's not so direct as like, oh, I see a nice building and I would like to make something that looks like the building. But over time, you can see some sort of cross-pollination, some influence. They both make me grow as an artist. That's a funny word. But they make me grow as a person. I think that a lot of life is about making and remembering things you do. Once I leave Providence, I would like to have a very clear and wholesome set of images that bring back the sound and the feeling of walking across the bridge, seeing the canal, the colors, the sunsets, remembering what it's like to have been here. Education is really what you make of it. Of course, I learned to draw better and I learned this and that and these skills. It's more about developing the character of your art and the character of who you are as an artist. I develop my own art and who I am as a person here, and I think that I'm fit and ready for whatever comes afterwards. It's like a rolling freight train, and it's great.